Hey guys, it's me, Jeffrey Dude Sons, and welcome back to my project. So there are everybody's ready, the conductor's ready, the light switch ready, and the light bulb's ready. The wires ready, all set up, and this cute little light bulb and my screwdriver. So we're gonna actually go to use the light bulb. So if we put really in here, there, if we push it, there's nothing. Means it is not yet conducted. So next, second light bulb, put it in here again. Just wait. Put it in again and try again. See, it's nothing again. So the last light bulb will be in here. If we just turn on, see, it worked. The light bulbs has been work. But how we do that? First, the electrical tape will help you in the conductor, and a wire will be here coming up to the wire to the conductor of the light socket thingy, and some light bulbs, more wire, cutted wires, more conductors, light bulb, cutted wires, conductors, light bulb, and going back to switch. But how we going to use this switch has been got into a just wait guys, just wait. Fuck. There, how to use it. First, get the screwdriver. It's not working. Just wait, guys. I need to get a smallest screwdriver, and just wait. See you 1 minute. Hey guys, I'm back. So this is where the screwdriver is. This one. Do you see it? So we need to put it in here. The maximum screwdriver here. And put it here. See? It really fits. Now, remove these. And look, just that. Just look at it. It's a beautiful conductors. These are the conductors. These two motherfuckers are the conductor, and this is the main switch. Has been turned on it. So the source of this one just maximize through the ever ready batteries going to this, plug in here. This is a negative and this is the positive. Positive here, 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 and going back here. If we turn on, it works. And if we just put it back together here, and some motherfuckers here. Just wait, guys. Here, there. If it just turn on, it work. So thank you so much, guys. Please check and leave a like. I hope you like this video. And if you leave, just subscribe me into your face in the comment of the section. If you like this, see you tomorrow. Bye.